In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 6 secrets for growing your YouTube channel. For several years, video marketing has been on the rise. Consumers today spend billions of hours every day watching videos. If you want to leverage the power of YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, here are 6 secrets to help you do that. Create your videos based on a single topic or keyword. Similar to a blog post, you need to identify the keywords you want to target when you are planning your video. Picking a keyword before you create your video will allow you to better plan the content you want to share. Another reason to choose your keywords beforehand is so you can incorporate them into your video script. Repeating your keywords multiple times will help you rank higher. Optimize your title and description. If you want your videos to rank high on YouTube's search feature, then you need to optimize both your video title and description. While your title needs to be catchy, it also needs to have the keywords that you want to be ranked for in the title. This goes for the video description as well. You need to treat the description of your video like a summary blog post. Leverage YouTube cards. The longer someone stays on your YouTube channel, the better ranked they will be. You can see the exact points where viewers tend to abandon your videos with your YouTube video analytics. You can use this information to add recommended videos with YouTube cards at the precise point where viewers are leaving. This allows users to check out your other videos and stay on your channel. Leverage playlist URLs. At the end of your videos, YouTube will show a list of recommended videos for the viewer to watch next. Sometimes they will be your videos, other times they'll be for other channels. You can use well-crafted playlists to keep users on your channel. When a viewer starts to watch one of your videos in your playlist, the platform will auto-cue the next video in your playlist to keep the viewer engaged. The best part is that they can be triggered anywhere in the video with a unique URL. Engage with your audience. If you have high engagement on your YouTube channel, you'll be rewarded with higher rankings. It is incredibly important to engage with your viewers in the comment section of your video. You want to try to respond to every comment that you receive. This not only helps with your video engagement, but it will also help you mold your community as you see fit. Keep your related channels on. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is turning off YouTube's related channels feature. When you turn off this feature, you end up removing yourself from YouTube's recommendations. This means that you will lose the network's effect that makes YouTube the powerhouse that it is. If you are on YouTube, then you probably are looking for good ways to grow your business's YouTube channel. These 6 secrets will help you optimize your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers.